In one of my videos on this channel, I did a video on the reasons why you should learn mini importation. If you have missed that video, I'll drop the link in the description below. Click on the link to watch it now. In this video, we'll be looking at some of the websites you can import quality yet affordable goods, ship it to your own country and make lots of profit. We'll also be looking at the website that is advisable for you to import from. If you are new here, I want you to smash the subscribe button to become part of our YouTube family for free. Click the notification bell so that anytime we upload a new video, you'll be notified instantly. You can also leave comments to ask questions where you don't understand. Some of the websites you can import goods from China are Alibaba, Pinduoduo, 1688.com, AliExpress, etc. etc. Among these websites, the best I'll recommend is Pinduoduo.com. Pinduoduo is a Chinese e-commerce platform that allows users purchase products at a discount price. The platform was founded in September 2015 and it has since become one of the largest e-commerce companies in China. Pinduoduo is just like other e-commerce websites like 1688, like Alibaba and the rest. Pinduoduo has become popular in China due to its competitive prices, wide selection of products, and it is also user-friendly. Pinduoduo offers a wide variety of products which includes daily essentials, electronics, clothing, home appliances, beauty products, baby supplies, and many more. One of the reasons why I choose Pinduoduo is that you can buy without MOQ. MOQ means minimum order quantity. Most of the websites, if you don't meet their mark, you cannot buy. Yes, that is it. You need to meet certain number of quantity before you can buy. That is MOQ or MOG. Another reason is that goods on Pinduoduo are very affordable. Goods here are sold for ridiculously cheaper prices than you can find on Alibaba, AliExpress or 1688. This does not imply that they are fake, not at all. They are highly qualitative products. The reason they are cheap is because it is basically for the Chinese community. As you know, China has become known as the world's factory because of its strong business ecosystem. They have relatively low commercial regulations, low taxes and duties. Another reason why I choose Pinduoduo is that it is user-friendly. Signing up and logging in is not stressful unlike 1688. You can download the app, sign up and log in within a twinkle of an eye. In this Pinduoduo class, we have the free class and then the VIP classes. If you want to join the VIP class, you can contact the numbers on your screen to sign up for the paid class. In the VIP class, you will learn easy way to download the Pinduoduo app, how to sign up on Pinduoduo without the stress of WeChat. You will learn how to log in on Pinduoduo, how to source properly for quality yet affordable goods, how to check if the suppliers are good or not. You will also learn how to check reviews and to compare with 1688 before you buy. How to set address properly to prevent any inconvenience. You will also learn how to track your goods on Pinduoduo. I'll teach you how to create WeChat account without the need to verify before you use it. You will learn how to chat suppliers on WeChat and many more. I'll also leave a link in the description below to contact us to join the VIP class if you are interested.